Okay, this is the pure sine inverter made by Joyfay, 5,000 watts coming from the People's Republic of China. I have it loosed up because it is giving a problem right now. Two of the transistors are blowing. Let me see if I can focus on it. These two transistors right here. They give off a big sound. I ordered the parts. I haven't received them as yet. But this inverter worked for about a year now. I have it on all the time, most of the time with a pump. I also have my grid tie inverter. This is a grid tie inverter. It was modified. These are the main transistors here, over on the other side. And I upgraded the capacitors, I think from 6 or something volts, 3000 microfarad, to 100 volts, 6800. Because when I first got the grid tie inverter, it's the power jack 5000. We had a surge here and it blew the capacitors. This board is not actually working. It's lighting up red, but when you put it on the AC, it's not showing the green. So I have to do some further troubleshooting with this board. But I have 3 of the boards working. Some of them have upgraded capacitors, and I was getting about 1500 watts out of my solar system recently with the 3 that I have installed, with about 12 solar panels hooked up to them, 130, 140 watts.